Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I've decided we're going to make a Mary sleeve. So I'll give you a very quick tutorial on how can you make a Mary sleeve. So we start with H. You press H, which is the polygon tool here in the 2D pattern toolbox. You can find this tool, or you can simply press H from the keyboard and make a sleeve which has to be exaggerated. So we don't care the measurements, it's just that we need a lot of puffiness and fullness in our sleeve. So we are going to make it something like this, and edit pattern tool, press Z from the keyboard, right click here, unfold. Use your curvature C, curvature tool, to curve the segments, let's say the armholes. We just have to click on the segment that we need to curve and drag. I'll just make it a little more higher. Okay, let me arrange this. I'll take my segment seam tool and I'll stitch this to this. The back armhole to the back armhole of the dress and spacebar. I'll make this a little smaller. Edit pattern tool, press Z from the keyboard, click drag. I guess this should be fine. Okay. Next, I'll be stitching the side seams of the sleeves together. Okay, so I start with G, which is internal line tool, and I'm going to make an internal line where I want this to be elasticated. So I click here, press enter. Another one probably somewhere here, click, and enter. Okay, I'll just shift these a little towards the top. Okay, maybe this. And so I'm using edit pattern tool, which is Z, for moving these segments. Okay, let's go ahead with creating more elastic lines. So I'll right click here, offset as internal line at 0.5 inches. I'll create two internal lines here and right click, offset an internal line for this also, 0.5, two more internal lines. You can have more of them if you want it to be more smart. Okay, next we're going to select them all and we're going to turn elastic on from the property editor. So I use edit pattern tool and I select all the internal lines. Property editor, you'll find something like elastic. I'll turn this on. I'll reduce the ratio to 20. All right, spacebar. This looks perfect. Okay, maybe for the top one, I'll keep it a little less. I'll keep the ratio 40. we copy this, Control C, Control R. So it will give me a mirrored copy of this. Segments into stitch the angles. Click for the back, click, click. Let me move this a bit more around it. Okay, press 2 for the front, looks good to go, spacebar. Okay, I forgot to tell you this. Before we begin, we can also freeze our dress. Okay, I'll deactivate these. Right click, deactivate patterns. Spacebar. And freeze the dress. So the sleeve doesn't affect the drape of my dress. Click, click, Control K. Let me reactivate these. So it won't, like you see, it won't mess with my dress if I keep the dress freezed. In the end, remember to select the sleeves and reduce the particle distance for a better drape of the sleeve. I'll keep it 6 for now. Enter and then spacebar for one final done. Okay, with reduced particle distance, you will be able to see the force better, and I can also see the elasticated effect, smart effect at the areas where we've applied elastic. Still feel we can reduce the ratios a bit. Okay. I'll change the pose. Maybe the neck is too deep, so I'll reduce the neck depth. And also, if you wanted to have some train, you're going to increase back. Take my edit pattern tool and I just increase this part. So let's reduce the particle distance for everything. Okay, to unfreeze, space bar for one last time, and yeah, this is how you can make a beautiful dress with Mary sleeve and a high-low flared dress. See you in my next video. Bye bye.